Hello, I am Francisco Cajaraville from the Board of Education, New Haven Board of Education, and I'm going to show you how to repair our Chromebooks. Okay, the model we have today is a Lenovo N22.
Okay, the first thing we have to do is to turn off the computer. Okay, close it, and we have to put it backwards. Okay, and now we are going to remove all this rubber protection we have here. So we show the the screws over here. We have to be careful. You see a letter over there, so everyone has a different drawing and a different letter. So when you put this back, you have to check that the letter is exactly the same than the one you have in the rubber, okay, because those are different. So we are going to remove all these. We have all this here. Here have another one. Okay, over here, here is another one, and here one in the middle. Okay, we have here another hole, but it doesn't have any screw on it. Okay, I think we have around 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 in the middle. Okay. Okay, once you take all every screw out, just turn around. Okay, sharp object, or or even with you have to pull this out. Okay. Okay, now you have this off. You have to be very careful because the keyboard is attached to the computer with those band, those strips. So you bend this way the computer, so those bends are still fixed here. Okay, so you have to change it for another one that works. You have to lift this up. See this over here? Have to lift this up. Okay, see? Okay, you see this little lid over here? Have to lift this up. Okay, and you remove this band. Remember that the blue thing have to be, the blue color have to be on the top. Okay, and you do exactly the same than this. This is the keyboard and this was the touchpad. Okay, so you lift this black thing over here. You see this? Okay, here we have another keyboard that we recovered from an old computer, but it works. Well, at least we think it works. We place on the position. Okay, and now we try to connect the band. You see this tab? You have to be careful. You put this well inside and press the tab down. Okay, if you pull a little bit and it's okay, and this one is the same. Remember the tab. Once you put it perfectly there, you push a little bit inside and press the tab down. Okay, so now we put it back, and before put any screw or whatever, so we just press the key and we check if the computer is working. Okay, and now we can see that the problem that we had before, about the touchpad that didn't work, but now uh, we have to check now that the camera and the keyboard is working. Okay, before returning everything, I used to check that the camera is working. Okay, so I go to a very easy web page that's called MidJitC, and I check that the camera is working. It's very useful also, to get a earbud and clean, the camera, so you have the best view you have that. Okay. Okay, and now you see that everything is working. For here, you can go there also. You can check the keyboard, the whole keyboard that is working. You don't have any problem with any key, that everything is working. Okay, okay, that's it. Now you can put all your screw back and put your keyboard in its place. Okay, remember to put it in its place. Don't forget to turn off your computer again, and it's pressing down. Okay, you have to press down all around. Okay, before screw. Be very careful in this area, you know, that it fits perfectly. Okay, press down. Okay, good.